They've stood for generations. They have brought life and beauty to our world. Yet even these mighty giants, these pillars of our ecosystem, cannot stand forever. Once they are cut down, many are discarded as so much trash. But what if there was a way that they could live on, bringing beauty to your home for generations to come? Based right here in San Francisco, Arbor Upcycle is the only company actively salvaging and milling trees in San Francisco. We're dedicated to the idea that the story of a tree shouldn't end in a landfill. We want to continue the story, combining the tree's natural beauty with the skill of the craftsman to create something new. Our process begins with the tree. Every tree we use in our creations is one that is already slated to come down, either because of disease or storms or construction. In doing so, we are not only salvaging trees, but are preserving some of San Francisco's oldest living things. All of the lumber we use comes from these local reclamation projects, never from harvested lumber. Next, the timber arrives at our local warehouse. We mill the raw wood ourselves into usable slabs of lumber. Our dedicated crew oversees every step of this important process. From there, the wood goes into our kiln to be dried and seasoned. Every piece is inspected for beauty and strength, and how it might be used in a unique work of art to retain the character and essence of the tree. This step of the process is key. We want the furniture that we build for you to be more than merely functional. We want it to capture the natural spirit of the tree, so that every curve, every grain, tells the story of the tree it came from. Finally, the working of the wood takes place. Pieces are trimmed, shaped, sanded, and lacquered according to your vision and the design expertise of our craftsmen. We collaborate with you to create a custom design that suits your needs and style. What emerges is a work of art that is truly unique, truly handmade, and truly local. Every piece is identified with the species of the tree and the area of San Francisco where the tree once stood. So you know that you're not only bringing a piece of furniture into your home, you're bringing a piece of San Francisco. And that's what we are creating at Arbor Upcycle. Unique works of art designed with care, built by hand, that retain the essence of the tree and our local heritage. Because we believe that when it comes to trees, don't just recycle, upcycle.